Hello everyone. We will continue our topic halogen derivatives. Now observe the example of compound 2-chlorobutane CH3 CHCl CH2 CH3. There are 4 carbon atoms. Second one carbon atom is attached to 4 different atom or the groups, that means hydrogen atom, chlorine atom, methyl group and ethyl group. Thus carbon atom in a molecule which carries the 4 different groups or the atom is called as a chiral carbon atom, or it is also called as a symmetric carbon atom. Thus the C2 into chlorobutane is a chiral carbon atom. A chiral molecule and its mirror image both have the same structural formula and of course the same molecular formula. The spatial arrangement of the 4 different groups around the chiral atom, however, is different. That means a chiral molecule and its mirror images are stereoisomers of each other. Thus, the isomers having the same structural formula are called as stereoisomers. The relationship between a chiral molecule and its mirror image is similar to the relationship between left and right hand, and therefore it is called as handedness or the chirality. The stereoisomerism, in which the isomers have different spatial arrangement of groups or the atoms around a chiral atom is called as optical isomerism. To understand the optical activity, we must know what is a plane polarized light. A light having oscillations only in one plane perpendicular to the directions of propagation of light is known as a plane polarized light. When an aqueous solution of certain organic compounds like sugar, lactic acid, 2-chlorobutane is placed in the path of plane polarized light, the transmitted light has oscillations in a different plane than the original. In other words, the light undergoes rotation of its plane of polarization. The plane of polarization rotates either to the right, that means the clockwise direction, or to the left, that means anti-clockwise. This property of substance by which it rotates the plane of polarization of incident plane polarized light is known as optical activity. And the compounds which rotate the plane of plane polarized light are called as optically active compounds. A compound which rotates the plane of plane polarized light towards right is called as dextrorotatory and denoted by the symbol D or the plus sign, positive sign. A compound which rotates the plane of plane polarized light towards the left is called as levorotatory and denoted by the symbol L or negative sign. The isomerism in which isomeric compounds have different optical activity is known as optical isomerism, and these are also called as, these isomers, optical isomers are also called as enantiomers. That means these isomers having the equal and opposite optical rotation. Enantiomers. The optical isomers which are non-superimposable mirror images of each other are called as enantiomers or the enantiomorphs or the optical antipodes. For example, 2-chlorobutane. An equimolar mixture of enantiomers, that means dextrorotatory and levorotatory, is called as a racemic modification or the racemic mixture. This racemic mixture is denoted as a DL or the plus minus sign. A racemic modification or the racemic mixture is optically inactive because optical rotation due to molecule of one enantiomer is cancelled by equal and opposite optical rotation due to the molecules of other enantiomers. Representation of configuration of molecule. Two representations are used to represent a configuration of chiral carbon and three-dimensional structure of optical isomers on plain paper. These two are first one Wedge formula, second one Fischer projection formula. Fischer projection formula also called as cross formula. Chemical properties of alkyl halides. Reaction in which atom or the group of atom is replaced by another atom or the group respectively. These reactions are called as substitution reaction. The CX bond in alkyl halide is a polar covalent bond, and the C carbon atom in the CX bond is an electrophilic center. It has therefore a tendency to react with a nucleophile. The alkyl halides react with a variety of nucleophiles to give the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Examples of some important nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halides are given in the following table. First one reaction, that is Rx plus NaOH aqueous on boiling, is giving rise to ROH plus NaS. When alkyl halide is refluxed with aqueous potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, alcohol is formed. The reaction is called as hydrolysis reaction. For example, CH3CH2Br plus KOH giving rise to CH3CH2OH plus KBr. Second reaction, Rx plus NaOR giving rise to ROR plus NaX. When an alkyl halide is treated with sodium alkoxide, ether is formed. In this reaction, the halogen atom of alkyl halide is replaced by alkoxy group, and this reaction is known as Williamson's synthesis, and this method is used to prepare simple and mixed ether. For example, C2H5ONa, that is sodium ethoxide, plus C2H5Br giving rise to C2H5OC2H5 diethyl ether and plus side product NaBr. Third one reaction, Rx plus RCOOAg giving rise to RCOOR and plus AgX. That means esters are formed. When alkyl halide is heated with silver salt of carboxylic acid, ester are formed. C2H5Br plus C2H5COOAg giving rise to C2H5COO C2H5 plus AgBr. Ethyl propionate, ester is formed. Fourth one, Rx plus NH3 alcoholic excess giving rise to RNH2 plus HX. Primary amines are formed. When alkyl halide is boiled with excess of alcoholic solution of ammonia, corresponding amine is formed. This reaction is known as ammonolysis of alkyl halide. Fifth one, Rx plus KCN alcoholic giving rise to RCN, that are alkyl cyanide and plus Rx. When alkyl halide is boiled with alcoholic solution of potassium cyanide, alkyl cyanide, also called as nitrile, is formed. For example, C2H5Br plus KCN alcoholic giving rise to C2H5CN plus KBr. Sixth one reaction, Rx plus AgCN alcoholic giving rise to RNC plus AgX. When alkyl halide is heated with alcohol silver cyanide, alkyl isocyanide is formed. For example, C2H5Br plus AgCN giving rise to C2H5NC plus AgBr. Next one reaction, seventh, Rx plus potassium nitrite KNO2 giving rise to RNO2 alkyl nitrite and plus KX. Alkyl halide is treated with potassium nitrite KNO2, alkyl nitrite is formed. In this reaction, halogen atom of alkyl halide is replaced by NO2 group. Eighth reaction, Rx plus AgONO giving rise to RNO2 plus AgX. nitroalkanes are formed. Elimination reaction, that is also called as dehydrohalogenation. When alkyl halide having at least one beta hydrogen is boiled with alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide, it undergoes elimination of hydrogen atom from beta carbon and halogen atom from alpha carbon, resulting in the formation of an alkene. This reaction is called beta elimination or 1,2 elimination reaction. As hydrogen and halogen is removed in this reaction, it is also called as dehydrohalogenation reaction. In dehydrohalogenation reaction, the preferred product is that alkene which has a greater number of alkyl groups attached to doubly bonded carbon atoms. The next property of alkyl halide, that is reaction with active metals. First one, reaction with magnesium. When alkyl halide is treated with magnesium in dry ether as a solvent, it gives alkyl magnesium halide. It is known as a Grignard reagent. Rx plus Mg in dry ether as a solvent gives rise to RMgX alkyl magnesium halide. Second one, that is a Woods reaction. Alkyl halide react with metallic sodium in dry ether as a solvent and form the higher alkanes containing double number of carbon atom present in alkyl halide. This reaction is called as Woods reaction. For example, Rx plus twice Rx plus twice Na in dry ether gives rise to RR plus twice NaX. SN1 mechanism. The reaction between tertiary butyl bromide and hydroxide ion to give tertiary butyl alcohol is an example of SN1 reaction. Rate of this reaction depends on concentration of only one species, which is a substrate molecule, tertiary butyl bromide. Hence, it is called as substitution nucleophilic unimolecular or the SN1 reaction. Tertiary butyl bromide react with hydroxide by a two-step mechanism. In the first step, that is the slow step, CX bond in the substrate undergoes heterolysis, that means the uneven breaking, and in the next step, in the that is the fast, that is the attack of nucleophile. Nucleophile uses its electron pair to form a new bond with a carbon undergoing change. Thus, it is a two-step reaction mechanism, and since OH minus has equal probability of the attack on carbocation from front side and from back side, the product obtained are equal. In case of optical active alkyl halide, a racemic mixture is SN2 mechanism. The reaction between methyl bromide and hydroxide ion to give methanol is the example of SN2 reaction, which follows the second order kinetics. The rate of this reaction depends on concentration of two reacting species, namely methyl bromide and hydroxide. Hence, it is called as substitution nucleophilic bimolecular SN2 reaction. CH3Br plus OH minus giving rise to CH3OH plus Br minus. In this reaction, two reactants are present and both are found to influence the rate of the reaction. This means that the reaction is a single step reaction. The another important feature of this reaction is backside attack of nucleophile. The nucleophile attacks the carbon undergoing substitution from the side opposite to that of leaving group, and this is to avoid the steric repulsion and electrostatic repulsion between incoming nucleophile and a leaving group. In the transition state, the nucleophile and leaving groups are bonded to the carbon atom with partial bonds and carry the partial negative charge. The transition state contains penta-coordinate carbon having 3 sigma bonds and in one plane, making a bond angle of 120 with each other, and 2 partial covalent bond along a line perpendicular to this plane. SN2 reaction is found to proceed with the inversion of configuration. This is like a flipping of an umbrella, and it is known as Walden inversion. The inversion in configuration is a result of backside attack of nucleophile. Reactions of haloarenes. First one, reaction of haloarene with metal. The reaction of aryl halide with alkyl halide and sodium metal in dry ether to give substituted aromatic compounds is known as Wurtz-Fittig's reaction. For example, when bromobenzene is treated with methyl bromide and sodium metal in presence of dry ether, it gives toluene. When only aryl halide take part in the reaction, the product is biphenyl and the reaction is known as Fittig reaction. Another chemical property of haloarene is a nucleophilic substitution. Aryl halide show low reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution reaction and it is due to resonance effect and sp2 hybrid state of carbon. Thus, nucleophilic substitution reaction involving cleavage of CX bond in haloarene proceeds with difficulty. For example, presence of electron withdrawing group at ortho and para position increases the reactivity of haloarenes towards substitution of halogen atom. Greater the number of electron withdrawing groups at ortho para position, greater is the reactivity. Electron withdrawing group at meta position has practically no effect on reactivity. Thus, para-nitrochlorobenzene gives para-nitrophenol, 2,4-dinitro-chlorobenzene gives 2,4-dinitrophenol and 2,4,6-trinitrochlorobenzene gives 2,4,6-trinitrophenol on nucleophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution in aryl halides. Aryl halides undergo electrophilic substitution reaction slowly as compared to benzene. First one is halogenation. It is carried out by reacting a haloarene with halogen in presence of FeCl3 as a catalyst. Thus, chlorobenzene gives 1,4-dichlorobenzene and 1,2-dichlorobenzene. 1,4-dichlorobenzene is a major product. Second one is the nitration reaction. It is carried out by heating haloarene with concentrate HNO3 in presence of concentrate H2SO4. Thus, chlorobenzene gives 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene and 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene. Third one is the sulfonation. It is carried out by heating haloarene with fuming H2SO4. Thus, chlorobenzene on treatment with fuming H2SO4 gives 1-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid and 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Fourth one is the Friedel-Crafts reaction. It is carried out by treating haloarene with alkyl chloride or acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 as a catalyst. Thus, chlorobenzene gives 1-chlorotoluene and 4-chlorotoluene. Chlorobenzene with CH3COCl gives 1-chloroacetophenone and 4-chloro. The last part of this chapter, that is the uses and environmental effect of some polyhalogen compounds. These are compounds that are CH2Cl2, CHCl3, CCl4, then CHI3 freons and